In this video, you will learn how to install a Spec-D universal racing seat. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Please take note that each different application or vehicle may have slight variations to this example. Please note that you will also require a model-specific seat bracket purchased separately to complete this installation. Now let's begin. With your factory seat in the rearmost position, remove the two 14mm mounting bolts located below the seat. Onto the back of the seat. Remove the plastic covers to gain access to the mounting bolts. Then remove the two 14mm mounting bolts. Next, we want to lift the seat and disconnect any wiring harnesses that may be connected to the seat. In this example, the Acura RSX, there are a total of 3 connectors that we will be disconnecting. After we have done so, we can go ahead and remove the seat from the car. Here, we will remove the seatbelt latch and harness by loosening the 14mm bolt, attaching it to the seat. Now we will install the seat sliders on your model-specific seat bracket that you purchased separately, using the 6mm Allen-headed bolt supplied with your racing seat. At the bottom of your racing seat, we will cut 4 small slits in the upholstery to expose the bolt holes located underneath it. Now position the sliders with the rear bolt holes exposed. Install and tighten 2 6mm Allen-headed bolts through the bolt holes on the sliders onto the bottom of the seat. Next, position the sliders with the front two bolt holes exposed and do the same. Now install the seatbelt latch onto your new seat by tightening the 14mm bolt you see here. With the new seat in the car, reconnect the seatbelt latch electrical harnesses. Tighten the two 14mm bolts towards the rear of the seat bracket. Now tighten the two 14mm bolts at the front of the seat bracket. Now you are ready to enjoy your new Spec-D universal racing seat. Thank you for choosing Spec-D tuning videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.